Hello everyone. Uh, my name is Venkatesh Madas. Uh, Currently, I am doing internship at Epson Private Limited at Pune. Today, my topic is a technical topic. It consists of object-oriented programming language in Java. Basically, in object-oriented programming language means the uh, it in short we call it as a OOPS. OOPS is called as object oriented programming structure. There are four major pillars of the object oriented programming language. Firstly, inheritance and encapsulation, polymorphism, and abstraction. And the class and object are the base of this. With the help of class and object, we go through all these pillars. Coming to class is the uh, class is the base of the object oriented programming language. Class consists of uh, class is a logical entity, and it does not consume any space in between the class name. And coming to object is a logical as well as uh, physical entity. It uh, Blueprint of a structure is called an object. Blueprint of a class is called an object. For example, student and car, vehicle. For example, this is our an object. This is our an object. And coming to pillars of the OOPS. Firstly, we will go through inheritance. Inheritance is the thing that when the child can access everything of the parent and add his own property as well, is called as inheritance, which the child can inherit all the properties of the parent and add his own as well. This is called inheritance. In inheritance, there are again multiple types. Firstly, single inheritance. In single inheritance, the only single base class and derived class will be there. In base class is also called as subclass, and superclass is also called as derived class. uh, and coming to multi-level inheritance. It looks like a change where only one base class is there and multiple derived class are present over there. And uh, hierarchical inheritance. In hierarchical inheritance, there is only one base class, and there could be a many multiple derived class as well. And coming to hybrid inheritance is the thing that it is the combination of the multiple types of inheritance. For example, combination of single inheritance and hierarchical inheritance. It is the thing that hybrid inheritance consists. And coming to encapsulation is the feature where suppose something, and forgetting touched about for of second member, we have to go through the first member. So it is a simple logic. We have to go to, for example, parent and child class. We have to go through parent child, then after that we can access the properties of child class. This is the encapsulation, where the class encapsulate all the properties of the child class. This is called the encapsulation. Polymorphism is a Greek word, where poly is the multiple and Greek morphism is the multiple forms. This is the polymorphism. And abstraction is used as the it is used as the major part of OOPS because it adds the security feature in the OOPS. For example, ATM machine, the backend structure in the ATM machine, we cannot see it. Only the front end part, the only interface it will look is called the abstraction. So this was the object oriented programming language, today's topic. Thank you.